Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be cleaning my dishwasher. Just in case you didn't know, you are supposed to clean your dishwasher at least twice a year. I'm gonna be doing it in the fall, which is gonna be done today. We are in the fall, and then the next time I'm gonna do it, it will be in spring, around springtime. I think that the dishwasher is one appliance in your kitchen that's overlooked, because if you think about it, when you spill something in your fridge, you go ahead and you clean it. You do deep cleaning before you bring in your groceries, or your oven, you deep clean that oven. You have self-cleaning on most of them that are made now. So the dishwasher is kind of left in the back of your mind. You don't really think about it because you think like, oh, it's cleaning the dishes, so it must be cleaned inside too. But it does need some deep cleaning. You want to kind of sanitize in there. It does build a lot of grime in there, and you want to get everything moving. You don't want any stuff building up in there, clogging up the little holes where the water comes from. And you also want it to last as long as it can last. So you want to take good care of it. They're not that cheap. And yeah, so you want to take care of it as much as you take care of any other appliances in your kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using to deep clean it, and then after that I will show you how it is done. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna be using some baking soda, some white vinegar, and then for the outside I'm gonna be using this stainless steel cleaner, and then also just a simple microfiber cloth. So as you just saw, it's not going to be a quick process. It is a long process. You do have to run it on a full cycle. So I'm gonna do a full cycle with the vinegar, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go back in there with the baking soda. So it's time consuming, but it is well worth it. And you wanna make sure it's done right, because you do wanna make sure that it's also sanitized in there. So it is all done. Now you can open it. It's pretty hot. You want to be careful. And then what you have is just a cup full of water. So you just want to go ahead and dump that. And then you're going to take that same measuring cup and you're going to measure your baking soda, about 1 cup, and then you're gonna sprinkle that in the dishwasher, like just right in there. Just like so. So once you've sprinkled the baking soda generously everywhere, you want to go ahead and close it up. And we are going to do another cycle. So again, you're going to put it on your hottest cycle, and then you're going to just get it started again. While I am waiting for all that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean the outside of the dishwasher using my stainless cleaner and the microfiber cloth. guys, that is it. My dishwasher is now nice and clean and it's sanitized. So I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you so much for joining me and watching through this whole video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are new, if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. It is free. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.